Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills, y'all. Stelly Grills and Chills. And hey, while we here, we gonna rain on them. We gonna cook a lot of great food. So don't forget, give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. Hey, what's up, y'all? So check it. First thing we gonna do with this red beans and rice, we gonna go ahead and throw in our veg, which is onions, bell pepper, and celery. And we gonna get these sweated out. Now, of course, we gotta go ahead and rain on them. Hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. Now, like I say, this is a Mother's Day dish for my mother. She's from Hammond, Louisiana. Big shout out to your mom. Even though we both reside here in St. Louis, Missouri now. But hey, I know she would love this because we can't get these red beans like this up here. I found them on Amazon now though, so the game is over. So after we get our veg sweated out, we gonna go ahead and add in 4 cups of water. And then we gonna get 1 smoked ham hock in. And we gonna bring that up to a boil and let that simmer, y'all. These here them camellia beans. You making red beans and rice and you not using these, you ain't making red beans and rice. I'm sorry. Y'all don't know what you making. But yeah, if you can't get these at your local store, you can get them on Amazon. And we gonna go ahead and get our beans in. Now this whole Mother's Day meal plan came about by 3 beautiful ladies. Mama T Speaks, Cooking with Wendalyn Lynette, and of course, Lisa D's Delights. So once we get our beans in, we gonna go ahead and get that a stir, and we gonna focus on our barbecue chicken now, y'all. So we gonna go ahead and rain on our chicken. We gonna hit it with a little salt, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. And of course, we gotta hit it with that cayenne. You know I like my cayenne, y'all. You know I like my cayenne. Alright, now that we got everything seasoned up, let's go ahead and get this chicken in our smoker. Oh yeah. Smoked chicken, y'all. So yeah, we gonna bring this down to like a medium heat. Now see, as you can see, notice the bubble pattern. Our heat is not that high. We at medium, y'all. Medium. And we gonna let this go ahead and go. And it's gonna be good, y'all. It's gonna be good. Mom's gonna love this. So yeah, once our beans have reached the point where they only have probably about 30 minutes left, 40 minutes, go ahead and get your smoked sausage in. Now you can cut them up however you want to, but I like to do mine probably about a 1/4 inch thick. They good and tasty that way, y'all. Good and tasty. Get a little bean, a little smoked sausage in every bite. Now if I could get that double D sausage, some people know what I'm talking about, some people don't. But hey, if I get that double D sausage up here, I'll be on point now. Now, after our beans are almost done, I gave it a taste. So I hit it with a couple shots of hot sauce. And then, of course, I had to go ahead and rain on it with a little bit of Tony Chachery. Oh yeah, this is coming together great, y'all. Look at that gravy. You don't get that gravy on the mother beans. And yeah, these are done. So let's get our chicken out the smoker. Which our chicken is basically done. We got it out the smoker at a temperature of 140. And we just finna crisp that skin up, y'all. And go ahead and bring it all the way up to that 165 mark, y'all. 165. Oh yeah. Look at that. That crispy skin is crisping up, y'all. Crisping up. Hey, ain't nothing like crispy skin on a good piece of smoked chicken, I'm telling you. I know you love crispy skin. I don't know nobody don't like crispy skin. I don't know. You don't like crispy skin, I don't have to put you in the room with my wife because she don't like chicken at all. But anyway, after we get our chicken off, let's go ahead and plate up. We got a red bean. We got our rice. Now all we gotta do is get our chicken on our plate, y'all. Oh my goodness, look at this chicken. You know it look good. I'm going to eat good today, y'all. And I'm gonna take my mama a plate too. Might not be Mother's Day, but hey, I know she wants some red beans. But anyway, I finish this. And love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.